Hello everyone, this is me Pooja Training Wali, a student of Ryan AI Teachers Training Level 2 and also a co-facilitator at Ryan School Online Academy. I am also a content creator. I have worked in TikTok beta program and also working on YouTube automation. So I have experience of content creation. So I welcome you all to this conference, Future AI Connect. The main goal of this conference is to aware all of you about AI tools, to introduce you to practical AI tools that has makes our life more easier. It can make your work more easier. It can save your time and help you to become more productive. Whether you are a student, whether you are a teacher, freelancer, or any business owner, there is an AI tool that can help you. So let's begin. First of all, the main question arises on your mind that what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or we can also call it as AI. That is a technology that helps computer perform tasks that usually requires human intelligence. It can help you to write content, to generate images, to generate clips, videos, to create presentation, to do coding by the help of Claude AI, and many more. So one of the very basic tool that I am sharing with you is the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a tool that you can say, is more than your parents or any your close relative. Whenever you ask any question again and again to the ChatGPT, it will give you a correct answer. So I am sharing here a screen. Let me tell. Is it visible to all of you? If it is visible, please thumbs up.
Yes, now it's visible.
Okay. For ChatGPT, you have to open new tab and type here ChatGPT. You can use it in your daily routine for conversation, for writing application, for creating images. Suppose I will type here, I have fever today. Write me a leave application. It will take time. See, dear madam, I am feeling unwell today due to fever. You can also make some changes if you want to, and professional or something in detail. Write me in professional way in detail. Because this application is very short. Whatsoever you can change from here. Now see, this is good in before. This is a way to writing an email, writing an application, or anything. Suppose if I ask her to, today is my best friend birthday. Write me a birthday wish. In the previous time, we take much more time to write a letter, application, and birthday wishes. See, it has sended the message within a second. So this is due to the AI. So you can write from here anything you want. This is all about the writing. Now you can also ask ChatGPT to create an image. Suppose I ask that create an image of a cute boy eating pizza. For image, it will take some time, but not more than 1 minute or 60 seconds. So you have to wait for a while. Now it is making the first draft and setting the scene, polishing details. Adding final touches. Now the image will be ready within second. Actually, right now I am facing with internet connectivity issue due to the weather change. Maybe it takes some time. See, it has given us two images of a cute baby eating pizza. Further, you can also make changes if you want to change the background, if you want to change the baby dressing, smile, anything you want to change, you can change from here. Suppose if I first, it is asking for which one is better. According to me, the image 2 is better. The baby is more cute. Okay. Now I can make further changes. Now I can say change the background. Keep the background of any restaurant. Now again it will take time because again it is creating image. So in short, we can say that we can create images from ChatGPT. We can make changes in our image. Suppose if I give ChatGPT the image of myself and change the background, anything, change my cloth, change the color, etc. You can change from here, and you can also write anything from the ChatGPT. Now it will take some time So wait for a while. It is making the image. Now I am also introducing you another AI tool. So go to the next step. Another tool is Claude AI. Basically, this is the tool like ChatGPT, we can say, from where we can do the coding. By the coding, we mean that we can create any software, any game, any application, and so on. Like we can make a portal from the Claude AI, we can make a calculator, we can make any game. Okay, so here ChatGPT is creating image. Till then we are going to Claude AI. And suppose I ask Claude AI to create a basic calculator. Enter. Now Claude AI will also take some time. First of all, it will create HTML code. Then it will create calculator. And we can use that calculator and share link with other people to use that same calculator. Once it will created, I will also share the link of that calculator in the Zoom chat, so you can also use it. Let me check. See, now it has changed the background. Now it's looking more better than before. Again, it has created me 2 images. We can also download from here. It is asking download 2 images in this series or download image. I asked to download this image. And it will be saved to our laptop gallery. See, this is the picture of a cute baby eating pizza with the background of a restaurant. If you have any question regarding ChatGPT, you can ask and raise your hand.
I have a question regarding ChatGPT. I want to ask that ChatGPT can give us any personal suggestions or with business suggestions for the study suggestions. Like we have planned something to visit, like we have to move from one country to other country. If we want something, want to ask something about the country, can ChatGPT answer all of these questions?
Yes, ChatGPT can give you suggestion regarding the business in which field you want to do business.
Okay, would you like to tell me that any successful answer or any successful plan you asked ChatGPT and he make it correct? For supposed to be you ask something and you follow the ChatGPT and you got success. any kind of story like that with any students or any study or any something else? Can you share here?
Yes, if I will ask here, give me suggestion for successful business in Pakistan.
I, I want to ask also that ChatGPT can be used by under any age of the male female, or there's some barrier for the age.
Although there is no barrier for the age, but whenever you create an account, I recommend you to show your age above 18 because sometimes it show restriction below 18.
Okay, the one who's under 18, how can he use ChatGPT?
He can put their date of birth wrong because it doesn't ask you for identity verification or for your CNIC. You can put the uh, your date of birth wrong, like you can if you are 13 years or 14 years, if your date of birth or year of the birth is 2010 or 2013, you can add year 2000 so that it will show you that you are above the 18.
Okay, would you like to tell me that major difference between the ChatGPT and cloud?
Yeah, ChatGPT is like Cloud. Cloud can also help you to give you answer of each question, to write a story, to write essay, to write application, to create images. But with the ChatGPT, we cannot do coding. We cannot create because I have never used ChatGPT to create software, games, apps. For coding, I have used here on cloud.
It means both have some different features so that they different we could
Yeah,
use
you
different.
can say that Claude is more better than ChatGPT.
Cloud is more better than
Yes,
ChatGPT.
because it
As a,
helps you to create software applications.
have you ever tried, or any of your colleagues or students have tried ChatGPT for the coding?
No, I have never tried.
Do you think that it can also help as a cloud help?
I don't think so.
Okay, very nice.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so now see here that Claude has created the calculator. First of all, you have to try to use either it is working perfectly correct or not. So let's try 3 plus 3, sorry, 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. So it means it is working perfect. Okay, so now from here, beside copy, we have an arrow. You can click on this arrow, go to publish artifact and go to publish in copy link and go to copy link. Now I am sharing this link in the Zoom chat. You all people can also go to this link and use this calculator.
We can copy the link.
No, you can click this link and automatically the calculator will open.
Okay, let me try again. Okay, I can try it myself. Uh, when I will get result, I will see it.
Okay. Okay, all of you can try it. And if you have any question regarding Cloud AI, regarding ChatGPT, and there are many others AI tools like for voice. generation, we have 11 labs. For audio song creation, we have Sino.ai. For image generation, we have many other tools like Whisk, like Flow, like Leonardo, like Audiogram. So you can also check help of these tools for creating images. And there are many other tools for video generation like VU3, like Grok, like Gemini, and so on. So you can also get help of these tools in your daily life. It will, I hope, help you to create any kind of the content.
Thank you so much for your time as well. And we learned something about the cloud and its ChatGPT and much more about the other tools as well. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you so much everyone for joining this session. I hope you all enjoy this session and get much more knowledge from here regarding AI tools, the importance of AI, how we can make use of it, how it is helpful for our daily life. So thank you so much for joining me. It's really an honor for me to have you all in my conference. So be positive, be happy, and stay connected with me for more upcoming sessions. Inshallah, we'll meet you very soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz, everyone.
Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.